Hello, good evening, and welcome to the channel. I hope you all are good. Now, let's see what happened yesterday on Friday and what all things really made the market to move from a low of 24,180 around to 24,700, which was a fantastic rally of 600 points. In early morning, the market was coming slowly down, and from 24,100 24,180 levels, it has bounced back to 24,788, 768 correction. Sensex also rallied 1%, and Nifty Bank, it has closed about 367 points above the last closing level. The main reason for this is the FIS. In recent article, it has written that FPI returns to Indian equities. In the last 13 days of Indian market, from December 1 to December 13, we have got around the FPS have returned to Indian equities and have they have infused around 22,766 crores in these two trading sessions. And this was mainly due to some of the points which I would like to elaborate. First is that the strong comeback of these FPIs in Indian stock market is due to the rate cut of US Fed Reserve, driven by the positive rate cut up in the US Federal Reserve. And further, there is expectation that when Donald Trump comes to presidency, there can be an implementation and there will be a global change for not only in India, but all over the world. Second, the geopolitical landscapes will be a major setback, which is into consideration. But seeing the flow of money in the last 2 weeks, it's a positive sign. According to the data with the depositories, FPS have made a net investment of 22,766 crores in this month till December 13, which was driven mainly by expectation of a US Federal Reserve rate cut. Again, you can see additionally, India's consumer price index inflation dropped to 5.48% in November from 6.2% in October, enhancing investors' confidence and raising hopes for potential monetary policy easing the RDP ahead. This is the one of the reason which is giving confidence to the investors. As you know that if Donald Trump comes, some people, some countries are thinking it is good for their countries. Some are having against it. Mainly, it will focus on China. However, since the RBI, the Fed Reserve has given a positive sign of rate cut, so market has now gone up, and the FPIs or you can say FIS have pumped around 22,000 crores in the market. So this is the FIDS data. FI history, if you see yesterday's, today's it was 2,355 crores buying by FIs, and DS has sold 732 crores. Now let me see the interpretation of this. See, and if you go to Sensible and see here how how to interpret this data, clicking here, you can easily make out which all people are having the importance. See here it is seen FIs, foreign institutional investors. These include prop firms, hedge funds, investment banks, pension funds, etc. These are sophisticated investors and are right most of the time, especially in F&O. That is, if FI is bullish, the market is expected to go up, and if they are bearish, the market is expected to go down. Similarly, pro traders. These are trading firms with broking membership who trade with their own funds. This could also be brokers who trade with their own money. Foreign funds and high frequency desks that trade through their own broking memberships are also included. Clients, this refers to all trades done through brokers. A common misconception is that this data is purely retail. However, this is not true. It includes HNIs, small fund companies, trading desks, etc. And DIs, domestic institutional investors, mainly asset management companies that invest in mutual funds. They are not very active in F&O. Stock data that is shown in SDI could be the data of retail investors investing in mutual funds. This data is not very useful for trading in F&O. I think this is clear. Now, what is important? In this, F&O data of FPI, Pro, and client is mainly important. And please remember, DI is not important. So when you go for analyzing, please keep in mind that FII data Pro data, client data is important, not DA data. I hope this is clear. Since we can see there is inflow of money from the FIs, so we can see a positive up movement from here. Till then, I hope everything is fine and there is a CPI inflation dropped. We can see a upper movement. Till then, take care. Have a great day. Keep investing. Jai Hind.